I guess the Berrima diesel story all started when Dad did his apprenticeship in Germany for Robert Bosch fuel injection, and he came out to Australia in about 1959-1960 as a Bosch engineer, and when he got up there, of course, the rest is history. He was working with Bosch there for many years and stayed in the industry with another German product called Deutz before he moved down to Berrima. He kicked off Berrima diesel service. I came along into the business and we've been a big team for many years until my sons got old enough they came into the business, and now they're of course a very big integral part of it. Berrima diesel is in a unique position here in Berrima, and how does that make it unique for us? Well, we tune diesels and we tune them in the four-wheel drive touring market. So we have a little historic town nearby called Berrima, which gives them plenty of time to stay for the day or overnight. Being able to tune vehicles, you've got to be able to road test them and road test them thoroughly. When we're doing diagnostics, sometimes we want cars here for days, so we can really simulate and make a diagnostic problem come up clearly so we can pinpoint it and fix it the first time. This is a problem for shops that are of course in city areas or in large country towns where they can't do their road testing. We have the old Hume Highway. We've got many kilometres of it where we can road test up and down hills and simulate problems to diagnose them and fix them correctly. Or, of course, tune the vehicle and test it live on those hills to make sure the difference is there. So we have a dyno, but at the end of the day, nothing beats proper road testing as far as we're concerned. And that's been our niche for tuning diesels for a very long time. The services we offer here at Berrima Diesel, big one is diagnostics. Diagnosing problems with vehicles. We've spoken about road test areas, etc. before. We've got some unique areas where we can test your vehicle thoroughly enough and give us some time with it, maybe overnight as well if need be. And we'll be able to find the problem and pinpoint accuracy, of course, which will be cost saving because you don't need to keep changing things looking for the problem. Diesel tuning, of course, is the big part of our business here because people have their diesels and they smoke and they lack power, etc, etc, etc. We've been fixing that for a very long time. So if you need your diesel tuned, Berrima Diesel is certainly the first place to start looking.